वेलकम बैक टू नवदा क्लासेस। वापस हम आ गए सी टेट की सीरीज़ पे। सी टेट का 2024 का पेपर वन है ये। पेपर वन के अंदर भी अलग अलग सेट हैं, तो ये सेट वन के क्वेश्चन पेपर का पार्ट है। तो जो क्वेश्चन पेपर था उसके अंदर टोटल 150 क्वेश्चन थे। 150 क्वेश्चन को 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया गया था। पहला पार्ट था चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट, उसकी वीडियो ऑलरेडी चैनल पे अपलोडेड है। पार्ट सेकंड था मैथमेटिक्स, वो भी ऑलरेडी चैनल पे अपलोडेड है। और ये हम पढ़ रहे हैं पार्ट 3 एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज़, क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 से लेके क्वेश्चन नंबर 90 तक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 61, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिगार्डिंग जॉन इज करेक्ट, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। पार्ट 1, it is a community based rainwater harvesting system. Option 2, it filters and purifies from water. Option 3, it pumps groundwater into nearby well. Option 4, stores water from river. तो ये था जुहाद के बारे में क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 62, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्ट्रैटेजीज प्रमोट्स इंक्वायरी while teaching the theme food. Option 1, asking student to collect pictures of various food items. Option 2, demonstrating fireless cooking of sandwiches, shikanji, lemon water, etc. Option 3, asking student to find out food preferences of their family member. Option 4, showing pictures of various preserved food items used in different regions of India. Question number 63. An EVS teacher asked a student to think and answer. Why do we feel comfortable in woolen clothes during winter? This is a question. This question is a part 1 convergent question, part 2 analytical question, part 3 hypothetical question, part 4 factual question. Question number 64. A EVS chapter in EVS textbook of NCERT describe Wahida Prism and her experience in the Navy as a doctor. What are the reasons for including this chapter? A part, her experience challenges gender stereotype. B part, her story gives a peep into the life of medical officer in the armed forces. C part, understanding the prism reflectives colors. D part, understanding the difficulties faced by her and her ways of tackling them. Option 1, A, B and C. Option 2, B, C and D. Option 3, C and D. ऑप्शन 4 बी डी एंड ए। तो हमें सिलेक्ट करना है कि इन चारों में से कौन सी ऑप्शन ज़्यादा सूटेबल रहेगी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 65, एलेक्स एन ईवीएस टीचर ऑफ क्लास थर्ड while introducing the theme work we do helps his student to cut colorful strips of paper and weave the strips to make a mat. The edges are glued together to make a beautiful mat. Which of the following objectives should Alex help his student focus? Option A, learning about color, pattern and developing an aesthetic sense. Option B, relating the activity to weaving done by weavers. Option C, memorizing the steps of making mat. Option D, choosing paper of attractive color and learning cutting of strips perfectly. तो इनमें से कौन कौन सी ऑप्शन सही हैं? ऑप्शन 1 A, B and D. Option 2 B, C and D. Option 3 A, C and D. Option 4 A and C. अब हम बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 66 की। स्टूडेंट कंडक्ट्स अ सर्वे इन देयर होम्स एंड नेबरहुड टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ मेंबर एंड अप्रॉक्सीमेट अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर यूज्ड इन ईच फैमिली. What skills and processes are developed through this activity? Part 1, questioning, experimentation, sensitivity towards environment. Option 2, questioning, inferring, expression. Option 3, hypothesizing, inferring, expression. Option 4, predicting, experimentation, observing. Question number 67. Doctor prescribe blood test for patient to confirm malaria. Blood test is done due to option 1, check for hemoglobin in blood. Option 2, check iron in blood. Option 3, check for eggs of female Anopheles mosquito in blood. Option 4, check for microbes in blood. Question number 68. Consider the following statement about beehive. Option A, honeybee lives in beehives. Every beehive has one queen bee that lays eggs. Option B, there are only a few male bees in the hive which have special role as workers. Option C. Most of the female bees in the hive are worker bees who work all day in making the hive and also looking after the baby bees. Option D. The worker bees fly around lychee flowers in search of nectar for honey. So the correct statements are option 1 A and B, option 2 C and D, option 3 A and C, option 4 A and D. Question number 69. Textile textbooks of EVS should reflect the recommendation of NCF 2005 of linking students' life at school to their life outside. This implies option 1 students are compelled to memorize few important concepts of EVS. Option 2 textbook is the only source of knowledge. Option 3 textbook supports student to construct knowledge through the given activities. Option 4 teachers need to use textbook as one of teaching learning resource. Question 70. It has been observed by bird watchers that there is peculiar species of bird. The male bird make their own nest and female bird looks at all the nest and selects the one she likes the best and decided in which nest to lay her eggs. The name of bird is option 1 tailor bird, option 2 weaver bird, option 3 Indian robin, option 4 sunbird. Question number 71. Read the following statement A and statement B and choose the correct option. Option A. About 4700 years ago, some of earliest cities flourished on the banks of river Indus and its tributaries. Option B. About 1500 years ago, city develops on the banks of Ganga and its tributary. Option 1. Both A and B are true. Option B. Both A and B are not true. Option 3. A is true, B is false. Option 4. A is false, B is true. Question number 72. Which of the following best reflects child-centered strategies in teaching EVS at primary level? Option A. Discussion, B. Demonstration, C. Lecture, D. Survey. Option 1. A and B. Option 2. B and C. Option 3. C and D. Option 4. A and D. Question 73. Pochampally is a famous district for its beautifully designed bright color saris and for the special kind of weave which is also called Pochampally. It is part of option 1 Tamil Nadu, option 2 Karnataka, option 3 Maharashtra, option 4 Telangana. Question number 74. Seema, an EVS teacher, organizes a field trip to zoo for her students. Which of the following are the most appropriate objectives of the school trip to the zoo? A part, recall name of animals in the zoo. B part, to relate concept related to animals. Option C, to promote process skills. Option D, assessment of student learning at zoo. Option 1, A, B and C. Option 2, B, C and D. Option 3, A, C and D. Option 4, A and B. Question number 75. An EVS teacher taught about animals to her student and asked them to do the following task. Option A. Write the name of various animals around them. Option B. Observe activities of different animals. Option C. Classify animals into categories based on observation. Option D. Define the term animal. Which of the following above is not appropriate for students of primary level as per nature of EVS at primary level? Option 1 A and C. Option 2 B and C. Option 3 only C. Option 4 only D. Question number 76. The territorial states of Haryana are option 1 Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. Option 2 Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh. Option 3 Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Bihar. Option 4 Bihar, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 77. Read statements A and R properly and then answer the following question. A. Silkworm can find his female worm from many kilometers away from her smell. R. Some female insects release pheromones which are recognized by male by smell. Choose the correct answer. Option 1, both A and R are correct and R explains A. Option 2, both A and R are correct but R does not explain A. Option 3, A is correct but R is incorrect. Option 4, A is incorrect but R is correct. Question 78. Read the following statement carefully. Statement 1. EVS syllabus is divided into 6 themes: water, relationship, food, transport, shelter, and how things work. Statement 2. The themes of EVS are closely to children's life. Option 1. Both statement 1 are true. Option 2. Both statement 1 and 2 are false. Option 3. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. Option 4. Statement 1 is false, statement 2 is true. Question number 79. Read the following statement carefully and choose the correct option. Statement A. Xylem transport water and minerals from roots to rest of plant. Statement B. Phloem translocates food from leaves to various parts of plant. Option 1. Both A and B are true. Option 2. Both A and B are false. Option 3. A is true but B is false. Option 4. A is false but B is true. Question number 80. Comprehensive evaluation means holistic way of evaluating a student. The ways in which an EVS teacher can assess a student for comprehensive evaluation in EVS are: Option 1. Teacher observation. Option 2. Half yearly and annual exam. Option 3. Rating skill during assessment of activities. Option 4. Portfolio. Question number 81. Ravi took some water in glass. He puts a lemon in it. Then he keeps adding a lot of salt into the water, half a spoon at a time. After some time, he notices that Option 1. Lemon sinks in water. Option 2. Lemon floats in water. Option 3. Lemon splits in water. Option 4. Lemon remains midway in glass of water. Question number 82. Which of the following sets depicts the themes of EVS at primary level? Option 1. Weather, water, travel. Option 2. Food, material, shelter. Option 3. Family and friends. Travel, natural resources. Option 4. Shelter, travel, things we make and do. Question number 83. Which one of the following statement regarding Al-Biruni is not true? Choose the correct answer. Option 1. The place that Al-Biruni came from is now Uzbekistan. Option 2. More than 1,000 years ago, he came to India. Option 3. He did not write anything about ponds in India. Option 4. He has praised the making of ponds in India. Question number 84. Consider the following statement A and B. Statement A. Bora is a common variety of rice used in Assam. Statement B. Paddy grows well in clay soil and requires a lot of water. Select the correct code from the following. Option 1. A and B and both are correct. Option 2. A and B both are wrong. Option 3. A is correct but B is wrong. Option 4. A is wrong but B is correct. Question number 85. What is the mass of an object with density of 12 gram per ml and a volume of 3 ml? Option 1. 15 gram. Option 2. 24 gram. Option 3. 36 gram. Option 4. 4 gram. Question number 86. You wish that students learn by peer learning strategies. Which strategy will you adopt to form groups? Option 1. Make a roll number wise groups of 4 to 5 students. Option 2. Make a homogeneous group of students according to their scores in examination. Option 3. Make a heterogeneous group based on participation and cooperation. Option 4. From a group of 5 students of same gender and same socio-economic background. Question number 87. Which of the following statement regarding Gadasir Lake is not true? Option 1. Gadasi or Jaisalmer got it made. Option 2, it was built around 650 years ago. Option 3, it was connected with Nine Lake. Option 4, it is still in use till today. Question number 88. Assertion. The theme family and friends is major theme in EVS, and plants and animals are presented as a sub-theme of family and friends. Reason. The interdependence of human beings and other forms of life is highlighted through themes. Option 1. Both assertion and reason are correct, and the reason is correct explanation of assertion. Option 2. The assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Option 3. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Option 4. The statement of assertion is false, but reason is true. Question number 89. Read the given statement carefully and choose the correct option. Assertion A. We can cook food easily at sea level as compared to higher altitudes. Reason R. At high altitude, boiling of water increases. Option 1. Both A and R are true, and R is correct explanation of A. Option 2. Both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Option 3. A is true, but R is false. Option 4. A is false, but R is true. एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 90. तो इस वाले पार्ट में हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 से 90 पढ़ा. और अगर आपको ये सॉल्व वीडियो चाहिए जिसमें आंसर भी हो तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं. ये जो सिंपल क्वेश्चन है विदाउट आंसर, ये काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स की डिमांड होती है कि उनको खाली क्वेश्चन चाहिए प्रैक्टिस के लिए, तो ये उनकी हेल्प के लिए. और लास्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 90. नीना, एन EVS टीचर ऑफ क्लास 5, gives a group assignment to a student that they have to visit nearby agricultural farms and find out information about the implement used by farmers during agriculture and the types of crop they grow. They also have to collect photographs and prepare a report. What process skills and learning indicators are involved here? Option 1. Questioning, expression, inferring. Option 2. Questioning, experimentation, sensitivity towards environment. Option 3. Hypothesizing, inferring, expression. Option 4. Prediction, experimentation and observing. तो ये था CTET पेपर 1 का कोड 1 का थर्ड पार्ट. ये जो क्वेश्चन पेपर था पेपर CTET का, ये टोटल 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड था, जिसके अंदर जो पिछले 2 पार्ट्स हैं वो ऑलरेडी वीडियो अपलोडेड है. ये थर्ड पार्ट है और अगली 2 वीडियोस भी आपको चैनल पे मिल जाएंगी. और अगर आपको सॉल्व वीडियो चाहिए तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं. ये अनसॉल्व वीडियो क्योंकि बच्चों की डिमांड आती है क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए, ये उनके लिए. थैंक यू.